In this lesson, we will explore default and optional parameters in JavaScript. These features allow you to set default values for function parameters, making your code more robust and reducing the need for explicit checks and handling of undefined values. JavaScript allows you to omit passing arguments to functions. For example, function greet with a parameter name, and let's console log hello name. And let's call greet with no arguments, and this results in hello undefined. And if we call greet with an argument Alice, this results in hello Alice. In this case, when we don't pass a name argument when calling the function, it has an undefined value by default. Parameters can be left out when calling a function, in which case they will be undefined. Here's how we could handle this case. Function greet with argument name, and if name is equal to undefined, let's console log hello customer, and else let's console log hello name. And now when we call greet function without arguments, we get hello customer, and with an argument Alice, we get hello Alice. JavaScript provides a way to handle potential undefined values without checks like that. Instead, we can use default parameters. Default parameters allow you to specify default values for function parameters. If no value is passed for a parameter, the default value will be used. Let's look at how we can rewrite the previous function using default parameters. Function greet, an argument name with default value customer, and let's console log hello name. And now when we call the function with no argument, we get hello customer. And when we call it with an argument Alice, we get hello Alice. In this example, if the greet function is called without an argument, it will use the default value customer. You can use default parameters with multiple arguments as well. Let's write a function order that takes item with default value generic item and quantity with default value 1. And let's console log you have ordered quantity, item, or items. If we call order function with only default parameters, we get you have ordered one generic item. And if we call order function with item defined, so order catnip, we get you have ordered one catnip. If we call order function with both item and quantity defined, for example, let's order catnip quantity 3, we get you have ordered 3 catnips. Here, both item and quantity have default values. To sum up, default parameters allow you to set default values for function parameters are used if no value is passed. And optional parameters are parameters that can be left out when calling a function, in which case they will be undefined.